Hello and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness channel. This is April with the Cat Scrappiness design team. I'm here to introduce you to the Birch tree with Cardinal backdrop die set that just hit our shop. This is a beautiful A2 backdrop die, so it'll cover an entire card front. There are 3 dies in this set that cuts multiple objects. We have our 2 cardinals. They face each other, and then when you cut the large die, we get multiple pieces here. We get a large A2 frame, and then we get these little pieces that when removed reveal a sky, but those little pieces hold something special as well. I'll show you those in just a moment. So I'm removing those, and you will see 4 birch tree trunks sitting on a hill. I'm going to make my hill snowy today, but this set can definitely be used year-round. All you have to do is change your birds and change your hill and your back and your sky. So, and then I also have the frame. And so you can layer this up, cut it from different pieces of cardstock, blend yours with different ink colors like I did, to create a beautiful scene. And as you see, these 2 little cardinals perch perfectly on these little branches. So those little dots that are in those pieces that we removed, I'm using as snow today. So I just popped all of mine out and I put it in a little embellishment tray. And then I'm just going to take an embellishment wand and pick those little pieces up and put them around my night scene that I end up creating here in a minute. So I just use a little bit of glue and glue those in place. So here are all the pieces cut and the dies that come in this backdrop die set. So for you, I took and I created a nighttime sky with some ink blending. I ink blended my birch trees, my cardinals, and then I cut my hill from some white glitter cardstock. I just used a strip of it there along the hill, so I didn't do a lot of waste. And then I decided I wanted all the little snow to be glitter too. So I just took scraps, filled in those little spots, cut that out, and glued those into place. Put my little cardinals up on their little branches. I did use a black glaze pen to add little eyes to those cardinals. And then I also used another new die set called the Noel with shadow die. So here are the 3 pieces that come with this backdrop die set and the card that I created using it. I sure hope you like this. I hope you grab it and you create a wonderful wintry scene as well. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.